speed apps. I was like that's the best at this moment. That's the great thing that if you can like justify the MCQs in that app, then speed MCQ की speed is most important. And I guess previous year questions were like pretty helpful in covering that part of speed, because speed was most important part, although the questions were a little towards a more basic part, and it covered more
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Malvika Jain for scoring a topmost rank of 10 in NEET, SS and MCh OBG group.
thank you so much,
In this
sir.
2025 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much.
So I thank you for sparing your time to share your valuable experiences with us, and it means a lot to us.
Okay.
Okay. So, Doctor, can we know a brief background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yeah, so I started my journey of this MBBS in 2016 from GMC Amritsar. I'm from Amritsar, and then I was like, I've spent too much time in this city. I want to leave, so I switched my city when I applied for the postgraduate near PG NEET PG in 2022, I guess, and then it was GMC Bhopal. And after that, there was like I had a plan for myself कि अब 27 तक तो ये सब करना है, उसके बाद so I have no idea what to do next, because being a first generation doctor, you have to look for yourself in this like place. So I was like, let's see, let's try this thing. Let's do for especially super speciality. So at that point, I was I had no idea to what to join, what not to join. So a senior told me about like just start preparing. We'll see after your exam. You have plenty much of a month's time is it's okay. You can do it in a month's time. So you just join the some application for the MCQ stuff. So she suggested me your app, speed app. So I was like that's the best at this moment. That's the great thing that if you can like justify the MCQs in that app, then consider me. You will be able to like be good in the exam. So that was all my motive, and I was like, let's just do this. So I just prepared for that. I had no plans. I had literally no plans what to do next.
Great, Doctor.
Yeah.
No, I mean, all your through your journey.
Yeah, that was all.
So, what super specialty you're interested in? I mean, it's about reproductive medicine or gynecology.
Uh, uh, Actually, my I was introduced to this Tata Memorial when I was doing my post graduation, and I was like, this is some institute that everybody dreams of. Personally, it's not. I'm not that much interested in gynecology, but then I was interested in the institute, what it caters. So for now, I am vouching for if I get that institute, or otherwise I'll go for reproductive medicine. That's the point. That's the vision right now.
Great.
Yeah.
Doctor, can you tell us, I mean, your preparation strategy, what all you did to achieve this topmost rank?
So basically, I had my post graduation exams a month back, and my tenure ended immediately after that. In my the third year ended, and I have about 45 days of time, and that was the course was about for 45 days, and that was a power pack course. Actually, it meant a power pack course. And one of your video, I saw you telling that, like I heard you telling that. It's about the speed. The language of exam is MCQ. So that was it. And I was like, अब सिर्फ MCQ ही करना है. And MCQ. I was solving questions. I was just applying the knowledge I already had, because obviously we have studied already for the exam, the theory exam. So I had the knowledge. I just wanted to apply that. So I just practiced the MCQs. I guess I finished almost 90% of the MCQs that your the application provided, and that was very crisp. And with the point that I was lacking in my knowledge was already there in the explanation of that MCQ, which I wasn't able to solve. So I guess that was the like a plus point by what I got from the application, and those discussion videos of the previous year questions, and like how to approach the answer if you don't know the answer, how to just deduct the options. That was the what they told us in that questions, the discussion videos, and that was very helpful, because I guess mostly my friends were like we were not able to complete the exam per se. Like there was like the 50 minutes of 50 question slots were too less to solve 50 questions. I was like I guess those स्पीड से ही समझ लगा कि वो स्पीड, एमसीक्यू की स्पीड इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड आई गेस previous year questions were like pretty helpful in covering that part of speed because those were repetitions. Some questions were repetition. They saved the time to like there was some pretty much basic question that was like ये तो पढ़ा हुआ है, तो देखा है आपने, without even seeing the option I was like ये आंसर है, let's just skip to next, and that saved the time. That was the language that I learned by solving the MCQ from the app. So yeah, that helped a lot.
Great, doctor. Now, can you talk about the paper per se? I mean, was it a PGXS standard? Were questions from oncology or from reproductive medicine? Can
So
you?
yeah, I guess हम लोग इतना एडवांस पढ़ते हैं and expect कि बहुत difficult paper होने वाला है. You will be like it's gonna be out of the syllabus and what not. But I guess that's not the thing. The OBG paper this time was very basic. Like it was, I was like, it is so basic that everybody would be able to crack it. It's like it's gonna be like the percentile might go very high, and it's not that कि कोई इसको crack ना कर पाए. So it was like, but I guess that speed was most important part. Although the questions were a little towards more basic part, and it covered more what you already know. But जैसे उसमें it was more of ectopic pregnancy, hereditary hormone, fertility sparing surgeries was the main part in oncology. So that is what it basically catered. But the point was that it was all the like जो trick थी वो speed की ही trick थी कि आपको speed से solve करने हैं. You don't need to spend more time on a single question, because the moment you start thinking about the question now, then you will lose the time and you won't be able to see even the last questions because you cannot visit the slot again. So I guess that was the whole question paper was about, that you know the answer, you know it, you just need to speed a little bit. That's all. That's how you'll manage to answer all the question, or else you'll just leave one or two, and that I guess makes the whole difference of the rank. So yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Doctor, what will be your future advice for the aspirants of MCH Gynec group?
So basically, I would just say that MCQ, 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 because हम 3 साल में बहुत कुछ गेन कर लेते हैं, हमें बहुत नॉलेज होती है. We just need to have that confidence कि हम वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं knowledge. It's not that कि आप end moment पे you'll just go through the books, because we have seen the books, we have read the books, we have given the theory exam, we have cleared our practicals, so we know it all. We just need to apply it, and how to apply it and what way to apply it is what given by the MCQ. कि उन 4 options में से तुम्हें select करना है कि which is the appropriate option. So that is how you like अगर practice नहीं करोगे उस question को अप्लाई करने की, तो आप वो नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि एट इन डेज, जो लास्ट के कुछ दिन होते हैं जो बचते हैं, उसमें आई गेस एमसीक्यू, एमसीक्यू, एमसीक्यू एंड जीटीज आर ऑल दैट यू कैन डू एंड विच विल हेल्प यू द मोस्ट. And that, I guess that's the advice I would like to give. Okay, just be confident in what you know, and you just need to apply what you know. Because आता है, 3 साल पढ़ा है, मेहनत करी है, तो 3 साल का वो प्रूफ तो मिल ही जाएगा जब तुम सॉल्व करोगे उस क्वेश्चन को. So yeah, that's all.
Great, great, wonderful, doctor. Now,
Yeah.
time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till day the career so that you can use this platform to do so.
Okay, so my mother. And like, I just want to thank my mother because nobody was that much a supporter of me. मतलब in my family, because since I already told that I'm first generation doctor, किसी को knowledge नहीं थी किसी को, but they just hear say things that ये कर लो, and she was the constant supporter. Like, you just do. I am here to support you. You don't need to worry. So yeah, my mother. And then yes, of course, my seniors who suggested कि क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या important है, and how to study about. And yes, of course, this great app जिसने मुझे end में आके इतना support किया कि like just do the MCQ, and the MCQs was so appropriate, and I am so glad कि वो इतना repetitions थे that it saved my so much of time of thinking on that question, that उसमें मतलब literally I could say वही there in the MCQ that was there in that platform, and I was like, okay, now this saved my time. So yeah, firstly my mother, and then my seniors, and definitely yes, this application which actually made me help to crack this exam. Yeah.
I'm very happy that it worked for you and helped you. I'm very, very, and as a part of team, we are very happy for you.
No, it did actually, because I actually had 45 days, and that was the and I don't know how did it appeared on my social media that this is the crash course, you should go for it. And also I had my seniors telling me कि, this is a very appropriate time. I was like, why should I do this? I won't be able to watch the videos. Like, don't watch the videos, just go with the MCQs. They are power packed. They are actually the appropriate thing that you need right now. So that I guess helped me more at the last moment. So yeah.
Very happy for you, Doctor. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career in
Thank
MCH
you so
Gynec
much, sir.
Oncology. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.